In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out account in Banggood App. Even though the title mentions the app, the quickest and most reliable way to sign out is through the Banggood website using your web browser. And that's exactly what I'll walk you through now. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work fine. In the address bar, type banggood.com and press enter. Give the page a moment to load. Before you can sign out, you need to be signed in. A quick way to confirm this is to look at the top right corner of the page. If you see My Account, you're already logged in and good to go. If you don't see it, you may be signed out already, or you might need to sign in first to complete the sign out demonstration. Once you're on the home page and logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over My Account. Don't click yet, just hold your mouse over it for a second. A drop-down menu should appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Log Out or Sign Out. The wording may vary slightly depending on the region or site version, but it means the same thing. Click that option once. After you click, the site will automatically sign you out. You'll typically see the page refresh or redirect, and the top right corner should now show a Sign In or Login button instead of My Account. That's your visual confirmation that you're no longer signed in. If you were using multiple Banggood tabs, you're signed out across all of them. If the dropdown doesn't appear when you hover, try clicking My Account once or widen your browser window so the menu displays correctly. On smaller screens or mobile browsers, you may need to tap the profile icon first to reveal account options, then choose Logout from there. If the page looks unchanged after logging out, press Ctrl or CMD plus R to refresh, or clear the tab and reopen banggood.com to see the updated status. A few quick tips for security. Always sign out when using a shared or public device, and close the browser tab after logging out. If you plan to sign in again later, you can return to the home page and click Sign In at any time. That's it! Simple, fast, and secure. You've successfully signed out of your Banggood account